welcome back to Vlogmas. Okay, so this one is a little filler episode, but we just gonna get into it. So this is what I make for breakfast. I'm trying to show y'all some meals I be making for weight loss. So this is one of them. Overnight oats is a popular one. I just use 1 cup of oats, 1 cup of almond milk unsweetened, and 1/3 cup of vanilla Greek yogurt. It gotta be Greek because that's the healthy kind. I usually add bananas and blueberries as well as strawberries, but my bananas and blueberries went bad, so I couldn't do it. And also add some chia and flax seeds too, but I ran out of those, so I ain't do it. But yeah, this is my little breakfast. I might have it with 2-3 boiled eggs on the side too. Okay, so then for a snack or a lunch, you're gonna make some chicken guacamole. I don't know what it's called. I just saw this meal on TikTok and the guy said it was healthy, so I just took his word for it. Anyways, you're going to take the skin off your rotisserie chicken. You're supposed to shred it, but y'all, literally all my forks were in the dishwasher when I did this, so that's why my chicken look all big. It's supposed to be shredded, but it tastes the same, so whatever. Anyways, chop up some cilantro, put it in. I think I put like 1.5 bunches. Put in a little bit of red onions, some avocados. I either use 2 or 3. I want to say I used 2. And then you're going to R. Kelly it. Just joking. You're going to put some lime in it. A whole lime, because it's a lot of food in there, so use the whole lime. Put some salt on that thing, and then you're going to put some pepper on it. And I think I put some garlic powder on it as well. And then you get a good old mix, little mixy mix, yeah. And then you could get some low carb tortillas, toast them up, and then put the guacamole salad thingy on top of the tortillas. You could definitely skip that part and just eat the chicken guac thing how it is, but I'm still a little bit of a big bag, so I added it. Then for dinner, I made some Greek chicken gyros. I don't know how to say it, y'all, but yeah. And yes, that's yogurt, okay, y'all? And yogurt and chicken is good. I don't want to hear no black carb revoked or none of that. It's really good, I promise. But yeah, you're going to use all those seasonings. Kind of be heavy-handed with the seasonings just because the yogurt is plain too. So, I don't know. It's kind of like you got to season the yogurt as well. But yeah, because if you don't season it enough, it's going to be bland. But yeah, mix it all up. I cooked it for, I don't know, I'm going to put it on the screen. Boop, there it is. Okay. While that's cooking, I just put oil in a pan. I add pita bread to the pan. Once the bread is cooked on both sides, assemble your chicken. I also made some tzatziki sauce, but I didn't show myself making this, so maybe I'll record that in another video. But anyways, yeah, put your chicken on there. I didn't measure it either. I just know like this is a healthy meal, so I didn't care. Put some tomatoes, red onion. Some people put like feta cheese on it. I'm not really too much of a cheese person, so I didn't. And that is not semen, it's tzatziki sauce. Okay, on to the next. So I need to cut out rice, so I've been trying to make quinoa. Quinoa is disgusting by itself, so cook it like this and it'll be good. I usually make my carrots first, but I don't know, I think I was tripping this day because I hate carrots, especially when they're crunchy, so I like to cook them down first. But anyways, I added red onion, green onion, carrots, and eggs to the mixture. And then I add my cooked quinoa to it. You can also add peas or whatever. I hate peas and I already hate carrots, so I didn't want to hate this whole meal. Anyways, I add chicken bouillon, chili oil, soy sauce, and sesame oil. Give it a good mix, and that's it. That's my meal prep, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!
And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'd hate to put you on the naughty list. Ho, ho, ho!